Former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo paid a visit to Capitol Hill today to meet with lawmakers over his controversial nursing home policies in the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, those policies, as many of you know, they allowed patients who tested positive for COVID to return to nursing homes. That decision prompted backlash when some nursing home residents died from the virus, thousands. And I monitored a stream from Cuomo's testimony today where the former governor defended himself against lawmakers' criticism.
The Department of Justice found no wrongdoing.
Former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo defending his handling of the coronavirus pandemic. He spoke with reporters Tuesday before heading into an interview with the House Select Subcommittee.
An investigation said explicitly we followed the federal guidance.
Cuomo has been highly criticized for how he handled nursing homes and for instructing them to accept residents recovering from COVID after they were released from hospitals.
And they should be isolated from other people who didn't have COVID, yet they were told, I just read the documents, don't test these people when you bring them back in the highest risk environment you could possibly be in.
Republican Representative Rich McCormick was at Tuesday's hearing criticizing how Cuomo handled nursing home residents during COVID.
That's something they're going to have to answer for. And why wouldn't we not only test them, but use a ship that's designed for isolation? A massive ship. That's what that ship was created for. It was sent up there for, and we didn't use it.
Democrat Representative Paul Ruiz says they have been asking numerous questions about testing in the partnership with the federal government.
During the testimony, clearly stated that it was very difficult with working with the federal government, with President Trump.
The governor also answering questions about the number of nursing home deaths, which State Attorney General Letitia James said in 2021 were off by about 50% because New York was only counting those who died on facility grounds, not in hospitals.
At one time in this country, 50% of the deaths were in nursing homes. So it was a national tragedy.
And the former governor did speak just moments ago after leaving that interview, and he said we have two very different opinions on what happened during COVID and question how COVID got into the U.S. in the first place. And many officials listening to Cuomo's interview today, they say that he needs to take responsibility for his policies. We'll continue to follow this for you.